All right, what do I need? I need this, 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 I need this. And we're ready to film. Hey, I'm Jess and this is Jess Budgets. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are doing our quarterly savings challenge count. Due to do my savings challenges video for December, decided to make this a combo video by adding my quarterly count. Just to kind of like wrap it up and end the year. I have a few challenges that I want to do for 2022. So some of these might get put on pause, or I might just quit, or I might tweak a little bit. And I'm already tweaking one as it is, and you'll see that in the video. But yeah, let's get started. The cashier didn't really have change, so my ones challenge is very happy right now. And let's see, I don't think I had coins. If I do, they're just kind of, oh look, I did. I've already scanned my receipts with Fetch. Most of you should know, but Fetch gives you rewards for scanning your receipts. I absolutely love it. I attempted to use Ibotta. I completely hate Ibotta because it's like a mission to get points. They really make you work for the money versus Fetch. They just want you to scan your receipt. If they have brand deals with the companies, you get extra bonus points. There's also a page where you could see what gives you more points for purchasing items of such nature. I honestly don't even look at that. Whatever I buy is what I buy, and if I get extra points, I get extra points. If I don't, at least I got 25. So if you're interested in signing up, here's my code. Just a disclaimer, if you sign up through me, you'll get points and I'll get points, so it's a win-win. There's no cost, it's absolutely free. I suggest it if you do any sort of shopping. So yeah, so I have extra money to put towards my ones, and I have a coin, so I'm gonna do that there. And then I have my coin jar where I kind of throw my coins, so I won't carry them around. And I had $1 in there, so I grabbed $1 from there. And I like to start off with my coins, so that's what we'll do. I'm gonna put this money to the side into my kind of ones bins. So I'm gonna bring out my little automatic coin counter that I have. I can't remember. I think I got this at Walmart. It wasn't that much. I think it was actually cheaper than it was on Amazon. All right, so we had a little technical difficulties, so we put in 10 cents and we are at $17.57. Let's do. I'll be honest, it wasn't so bad at the beginning to double the amount, but now that we're getting to the double-digit numbers and the amounts are increasing, it's a lot harder to come up with $50+ each week as opposed to only 25. I'm gonna attempt to complete the 52-week challenge just because I'm not a quitter. I don't want to quit, so I'm gonna kind of amend it and go back to making it a one-person challenge where I'll end up with 1,729 because I'm factoring in half the fund being doubled and then the other half just being single. So that's why it'll be 1,729, which is amazing. We're gonna start off with week 25, which is December 3rd, and I need money. Hopefully you guys all had a wonderful Christmas and you are pumped for the new year. I am looking forward to it. I'm being optimistic about it. I think things can Definitely improve, of course, but I don't know. The new year always gives you that extra oomph that you need to start things right. You can make changes, start whenever, but I don't know, something about the new year and doing new things, setting new goals, it just, I don't know, it's a little magical, if you say. If I like to think, at least. Anyway, okay. So we're doing 25, but we're doubling it, so we're doing 50 technically. So I have a 20, a 40, and a 50. Just make it easy. I said I sorted this to like put it here, and I didn't even do that. So there you go. And hopefully I have enough. I have a feeling that I do, now that I switched it over to one person only, but I probably should have figured that out first, right? To see if I had enough to even do this. So 50, it's 25 double. So gonna fill that doubled. So I'm gonna do purple. And I did 50, so that's that. And next would be, it would be 12.10 and it's $26. So for me, it would be 52. So let's see if we have that. 20, 40, 50, and 2. Awesome. Check that off. And put this here and we're good. So we've completed half of the challenge, 26 weeks. So we're gonna flip it over to week 27, back to the front, and that would be December 17, and for December 17 it'll just be $27 because I'm no longer doubling it. So I'm gonna do 10, 20, 5, 6, 7, so that's 27. So 10, 20, 5, 6, 7. There you have it. And I hope to be able to finish this one. Again, if I don't, it's okay, but I honestly do want to finish it. In week 27, we paid that off, so now we're moving on to week of Christmas, which was the 24th. So for the 24th, it's $28. I should probably count before I note like I did it. So I have 10, 20, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 28. We are good there. And lastly, it is January 3rd and week 29. And that is $29. And I made it by $1. So that's awesome. So I have 10, 20, 5, 30. So it's 29 and I have 30. So I'm gonna give back $1. And we are gonna put this away. Yay. So I'm gonna check that off, 29. I have $1 left. So that's that. I might, considering a bill exchange, if I don't do empty out, clear out my funds altogether, I might do a bill exchange just to have larger bills to prep my binders for the new year. Move on to our 1s and our 5s challenge. So I want to bring out my little binder because this is where we recorded the first quarter. So for the first quarter for 5s, we had $65, and for our 1s, we have $50. So these are the numbers that we're beating because we're competing against ourselves or our past selves. So we'll first do the tally for December. So we have guest star coming through. Hello. Stumping around. So if you hear little giggles. All right. So We have our ones and our fives. We'll do the fives since they're easier. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we have 30 fives for our fives. And our ones we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we have 16 ones for the month of December, fives first. And I kind of want to make sure that I separate 65 from here because I don't want it to get confused. 20, 40, 65. All right, so here we are. All right, you guys ready? Because I'm kind of excited. Just a little excited. Okay. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. Oh my God. I beat it by like $10 only. But hey, I still beat it, okay? So, fives, I will admit, are extremely hard for me. And, if I'm being honest, I don't think I'm going to do fives for 2022. It's too rich for my blood to do fives. I don't know. I don't know. It's too rich for my blood as of late. So, I'll try. I'll continue to try, but I might just allocate any of the fives or any of the rollover money altogether to different specific challenges and then just do the ones and the coins. I don't know. So how much was it? I beat it by 10, so 75, right? 10. Let's count it again. 5, like it's gonna make more money by me counting. So I have 75, yeah, 75. So our fives is $75. So we have that for our fives. Okay, I still beat it. $10, but I beat it. And then our ones, for our ones we had $50 last time. So I'm gonna take out the 50. So 20, 40, 50. I took that out. So everything else is from this quarter. And I don't know, guys. What do you think? Feels like more than 50, but I don't know. Right. So here's a moment of truth. Here we go, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Oh, $54. $54. Jessica, what are you doing? I feel like I need to count this again because I did not only beat it by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. A person that is in denial. That is what I am right now. So 20. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Oh, yeah, 54, guys. So I beat my totals, but not by much. I will admit, though, I will admit, this time around, I felt like I put more money towards it, like actively remember to put more money towards it, but I did use cash a lot less because I've been using my credit card a lot. And I've been using my credit card a lot only because convenience. I definitely use my credit card a lot. So, yeah. we increased $10 in our 5s, and we increased $4 in our 2s. I'm honestly happy that I at least exceeded, maybe not by a lot, but you know what? I'm gonna do this, and this is gonna make me feel better. $244, which I would have spent on random useless junk. I would have ate this money. I would have had this in my stomach. I would have had this in my stomach. I would have had this in my stomach because this house loves Uber Eats. This is the total we have. We have $244 that we could put towards a sinking fund or debt. And that's it. That sums up this video. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave them down below. Make sure to smash the like button, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.